This is Sonali Gurve. In this session, I will explain you about how to create quiz and set response time using the Google Forms. For this, it is necessary to log in into your Gmail account. I have already logged in Gmail account. In this window, at the top right corner, there is a Google Apps option. Click on this. After this, scroll and select the drive. We have to create the blank quiz. For this, at the left hand side, click on this new tab, select last option more, then after this select Google Forms, then click on from a template. In this template, there are variety of templates available. You can use. Here is the options are personal, then work, then next is education. In education, first option is blank quiz. Select this option. We can create a quiz here. You can give the name for the quiz. I am giving the name. You can write the description here. I am writing. You can give the instruction for the quiz here. You can type the question here. I am typing my first question. My question is this. Options are, you can select the format of answer. You can checkbox. Suppose the multiple options are correct, then select the checkbox, multiple choice or paragraph or the short answer question or the linear scale. Suppose the answer in between the some source to some destination. Multiple options are there. You can select anyone. I am selecting the multiple choice question. You can write the options here. You can type the options here. These are the options for this form. You can set the correct answer also here, answer key, so student can see this answer after attempting the question. You can add the correct answer here, and also you can give the number of points for this. Suppose this is 2-mark question, then correct answer, I know the correct answer is this. You can add the answer feedback also. Suppose the student has selected the correct answer, then suppose the correct answer, then give the message to the student after attempting, congrats. If the answer is incorrect, then give the message actually this part is optional. You can say answer feedback depends on the you to set or not. Correct answer is D, or you can write the 4. Suppose the correct answer is 4. So you can write this fourth option, or you can say the D. Say this question for the 2 mark. For this, you can click on the done to save this question. Done. It is a, suppose this is a off. When you are clicking on this, enable this option, means it is mandatory to solve this question. Suppose you want the same question again with some changes in the questions, you can click on the duplicate and create the duplicate question of this. I don't want this, so I am deleting this. You can take the many questions, you can create the many questions, or you can import the questions from the previously created quiz. You can add the images, videos, and the section inside this quiz also. After this, click on this setting option. This is your quiz. Suppose you want the email address after the submission of the quiz, click on this collect email address. Here require sign in. How many times student can attempt? Limit to 1 response only. Respondent can edit after submission. You can click on this option if you are giving the one more chance to the student than edit after the submission. I am not giving this access to the students. So suppose this is presentation, you can use this option. This is quiz, so I am checking here also. This release grade immediately after each submission or after all the questions. I am selecting this latter after manual review. Means after the quiz end, teacher will release the score. Then student got the mail about the score release and student can check the score. Click on this save button. Now it's time to share with the students or share with the someone. So for this, you can copy this link and send to the students, or you can copy this link from the option add collaborators. Here is a link is here. So you can copy this link and share with the students. You can share it with by using the WhatsApp link or by using your Google Classroom or the mail. You can choose the any way to share this link. Suppose you are trying to give some limited time to the student for the submission of this test, then for this it is necessary to install one add-on app. Click on this option, these 3 dots, then click on the add-ons. After clicking on this, the Google Suite is available. G Suite Marketplace is here. In this, type form limiter. Form limiter. Form limiter is here. Install this form limiter in your computer first. Click on this install. Click on this continue. It will ask to log in with your account. Log in into your account and read this questions also. Read this in detail. It asks for the permissions. Click on allow. Click on this done. Now close this G Suite Marketplace window. I am closing this. When you are installing any add-ons, then one more icon is here. Click on this add-ons. Here is only one add-on, that is form limiter. So click on this. In form limiter, there are the 2 options, set limit and help. Click on the set limit. Here you can set the time Actually, it is for the future reference. Means after releasing the quiz, you are stopping the responses after the 2 hours, or you suppose your survey is for only the 100 response. Then at that time, you can select the option number of form responses. Means suppose your questionnaire is only for the 50 student, or for the only for the 50 respondent, then you can select this option, or you can select the date and time option. I am here selecting the date and time option. So I am selecting the due date. Okay, I am setting the due date. Means after releasing this test to the student, after 1 hour or after 2 days, or after you can set the any time limit. Suppose the date is 23. I am selecting this date. Then select the time. Till what? Till I am selecting here 12 AM. Sorry, I am selecting the time as 6 PM. Till the 6 PM, this link will enable. After this, it is automatically disabled. Set. Click on the set. Then save and enable. In this way, you can set the time by using the form limiter. So, student can only attempt test till the 6 o'clock. Suppose this test for the 1 hour or test for the 20 marks or 40 marks, depends on the marks and depends on the time. Suppose I am giving the 1 hour time. I am releasing this test link to the student at 5 PM and it will automatically close at the 6 PM. In this way, you can create the quiz for the student and set the time for the response, set the time for the student. Thank you.